Hi, today I wanna make a card with diamond pairs pull tab stamp and die set. I haven't used this die set yet. I received my first autoship a few days ago. So let me open the package and show you everything. And after that, I will make a card with this beautiful die set. Oh, I think this one is the autoship one. The first autoship. Yeah, this one is the original one. And they call it a Happy Mail Pull Dies and Stamp. These are the dies you get on the main die set, which has the mechanism dies and some decorative ones. You also get these beautiful stamps. And of course the instruction to show you how to put it together. This is the first autoship for this bundle, which they call it Diamond Press Hello Friend Pull Tab Dies and Stamp. These are the stamps you get in this bundle. I really like the butterfly. And these are the dies. This is the first time I'm working with this die set, so let's see what I came up with and make it together. Okay, let me first build the mechanism, and after that I will think how I want to decorate it. I'm going to use the rose gold paper collection from Crafter's Companion. It's one of Sarah's signature collection. I'm going to use this one. I know I want to make a Valentine card, and it's going to be like pink and purple theme, but I'm not sure what I want to do with these dies and stamps. So let's first make the mechanism to see how it looks like, and we go from there. Okay, based on the instruction, we need an A2 size card, which is 4.25 by 5.5, and I prepared that one. We need one of these worker dies or the dies for mechanism that included in the bundle. Okay, first we need to stick these two pieces together. And by the way, none of these won't show, so I've used the heavyweight white cardstock. The only thing will show is a little bit from here, comes out there, and even for that one the white cardstock will work good for me. So I'm going to use this. We need to stick this part to this one, which makes it a little bit sturdier, I believe. That's the only reason for that. And maybe a little bit nicer if someone wants to pull it up and see what's going on behind there. We need to stick this part. We need to stick it here like this. And we only put the glue on the both side of it, nothing in the middle, because we need to push this pull tab thing underneath this tab. So all right, Now we need to score the lines. There are a few score lines in this part. One of them are here, and these two. So what we need to do is, sorry, I need to figure it. Okay, I wanted to show it like this. So, right. So we're going to do it like this. It needs to go from this side here, and from here through here, and by pushing these two tab in, you can fit this through. And I made it the opposite way, so I need to do it this way to make the life a little bit easier. As I mentioned, this is the first time I'm doing this, so I hope you learn from my mistakes. Then we put the tabs back to make a stopper for ourselves, and that's that. This is our mechanism. Alright, I cut two of these frames, and I did use the stamp for this one, but I don't like it, so I'm not going to use it for the other one. And because it cuts like a frame, I need something solid on top of the mechanism. So when I measure it, I think if I cut a piece of paper to 2.5 by 2.5 inch, I can cover the back and get a solid frame to put on top of my mechanism. really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.